Hello students, in this class of ours we will study little more on rational numbers. So if I tell you a rational number by definition was a number which can be written in the form of p upon q, where p and q are both integers and q is not 0. So 2 by 3 is a rational number undoubtedly. Now if I write 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2 here, this becomes 4 by 6. Further if I write 2 3 3 into 3 and I write it 6 by 9. So 2 by 3, 4 by 6 and 6 by 9 are equivalent fractions. So this was how we make different equivalent fractions. And also if I cancel out the common factor between both p and q here, that is 2 2s and 2 3s, 3 2s and 3 3s. So now 2 by 3 is the simplest form for both these rational numbers. So simplest form of a rational number we have talked about, and what are equivalent rational numbers. Now we will have a little small talk on what is difference between a fraction and a rational number. Fraction of something is part of it, and a rational number. Part of something can never be negative. If I write here this everyday, in layman's language I can tell you that this cannot be negative, though a rational number can very much be negative. In another way I can put up same thing, that fraction can be in the form of p upon q. This also can be in the form of p upon q, but here p and q are supposed to be integers. But here p and q are supposed to be whole numbers. This also means the very same thing, that a fraction can never be negative, though this can very much be negative. Integers are natural numbers with their negatives and 0, whereas the whole numbers does not contain any negative numbers. So fraction cannot be negative, this can be negative. Now we will see how to insert rational numbers between two given numbers. Suppose you are given 2 and 3. We have already studied, if I write 2 by 1 and here write 3 by 1, so integer upon integer, integer upon integer, and also q in both the cases is not 0. So this can 2 and 3 can very much be called as rational numbers. If I want to insert some numbers between these two, some more rational numbers between these two, first of all let me tell you, infinitely many rational numbers can be inserted between two given numbers. So one of the method is just simply write 2 plus 3 and divide it by 2, 2 here, 3 here. So this becomes a number in between these two, 2 plus 3 by 2. Now if I write it 2 and this is 5 by 2 and this is 3. Now if I want to insert one more number between these two, so I will write 2 plus 5 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Add the numbers, divided by 2. So now I wanted to find between these two, so I have added both these numbers and have divided by 2. So this will come 2 to the 4 plus 5, 9 by 4. So this becomes 9 by 4. I can further find out between these two, also between these two, and also between these two. Suppose I want to find out between these two. So I will write 3 plus 5 by 2 and that is 1 by 2. So this becomes 3 to the 6. 6 and 5, 11. So 11 by 4. 11 by 4. Now I can keep on finding out a large number of rational numbers between these two. This is one way of inserting rational numbers between the given rational numbers. In our next class we will see 3 more methods. Here we have seen 2, 3. So if let us say this is A, this is B in general terms. So we can write A plus B by 2 is a rational number in between rational numbers A and B. A and B. And you can find out infinitely many between these two and infinitely many between these two. That is enough in this class. In next class we will see.